David usually gets up at 7:30.
Oh no, it's 7:31.
He puts on his jeans and a t-shirt. He has a glass of milk. Then he takes his school bag and runs to the bus stop. He goes to the school by bus. One day he comes to the bus stop, but there is no one there.
Oh no, I'm late.
Cries out David. He runs back home, takes his bike. He rides to school as fast as he can. When he gets to school, there is no one in front of it. He tries to open the door, but can't. It's locked.
Oh no, now I know.
Shouts David.
It's Saturday. There's no school.